Imagine a digital universe where millions of players immerse themselves in endless games, epic concerts featuring pop stars, and mind-blowing collaborations with brands like Netflix and Gucci. A platform where virtual spending hits billions and creativity knows no bounds. It's not TikTok, it's not Fortnite, it's Roblox. With over 85 million daily active users and a massive community of creators ranging from young kids to professional studios, Roblox has taken the gaming world by storm. Yet, despite all the hype, all the revenue, and all the success stories, there's one surprising truth. Roblox still isn't profitable. In 2024, Roblox raked in an astonishing $3.6 billion in revenue. But here's the shocking twist. It also recorded a nearly $1 billion loss. How could one of the world's most popular gaming platforms be losing money at this scale? In this video, we'll break down the financial puzzle behind Roblox, dive into the economics of user-generated content, and reveal the challenges Roblox faces on its journey to profitability. To understand why Roblox struggles with profit, you first need to know what makes it so unique. Roblox isn't just a game, it's a platform, more like YouTube for interactive experiences. Instead of videos, users create full-blown games and digital worlds. Some developers are just kids with big ideas, while others are professional studios, or even kids who grew into studios. Roblox provides everything needed to build and monetize: the game engine, distribution, payment systems, and even its virtual currency, Robux. In return, Roblox takes a 70% cut of every digital item sold. On paper, it sounds like a genius model, crowdsourcing creativity while collecting a hefty share. So why isn't it a money-making machine? Let's dig deeper. In 2024, Roblox reported $3.6 billion in revenue, but its expenses soared to over $4.5 billion. A large chunk of that, more than $920 million, went straight to the creators. Unlike many tech companies, Roblox's model is inherently expensive because it's built to reward the creators who drive the platform. Beyond paying creators, Roblox spends heavily on servers, infrastructure, AI safety systems, content moderation, and regional expansions. As the platform grows, so does its need for constant innovation and safety updates. From AI-powered content filtering to expanded server capacity, every new feature adds another layer of cost. One of Roblox's biggest assets is also its most complex challenge: its predominantly young user base. Kids may bring in numbers, but they also bring intense scrutiny. In 2024 and 2025, the platform faced backlash over issues like inappropriate content and child safety failures. Regulators in both the UK and the US began scrutinizing how Roblox handles user safety and age verification. This pressure forces Roblox to invest millions in moderation and safety features, an essential but costly commitment. To make matters more complicated, the company's economy runs on Roblox, a currency that developers can cash out once they hit a threshold. With exchange rates remaining stagnant for years, creators are starting to demand more, while Roblox balances keeping developers happy and preserving profit margins. Roblox's ambition doesn't stop at the US. The platform has rapidly expanded into markets like Japan, India, and Brazil. While growth is crucial, entering new territories also brings challenges: language support, compliance with local laws, and payment processing infrastructure. Plus, as the platform's user demographic ages, it needs to support more complex content, ranging from simple simulators to mature storytelling. Roblox isn't just looking to be a gaming platform, it wants to redefine digital presence. It has expanded to VR with Meta's headsets, integrated with PlayStation, and even pushed into education with STEM-based experiences. These moves could secure long-term dominance, but they also mean spending more upfront on partnerships, new technologies, and ad infrastructure. Roblox isn't the only player in this space. Epic Games launched the Unreal Editor for Fortnite, allowing creators to build custom games while taking a smaller revenue cut. Meta's Horizon Worlds and classic competitors like Minecraft also pose challenges. Roblox needs to innovate while maintaining its creator-first philosophy, which makes cutting costs a complex decision. Right now, Roblox isn't focused on profitability. It's focused on growth. It's choosing to invest in more users, more tools, and more features, betting on a future where it becomes the ultimate digital creation platform. Just like Amazon in its early days, Roblox believes that massive upfront investment will pay off later. Whether that bet pays off or not is still to be seen, but one thing's for sure. Roblox isn't just a game company, it's building a digital economy. If it can scale responsibly, it might just change how we think about online communities. Want to know the hidden reason you're overpaying for flights and how to beat it? Subscribe now. Every video is a shortcut to understanding the digital world. And stay tuned.